Hello dear colleagues, my name is Masoud Mokri and I am pleased to present our recent research entitled Neurocognitive Processing of Figurative Language in Individuals with Schizotypal Personality Traits. Evidence from an event-related potential investigation. The primary objective of this study was to identify potential neurophysiological markers associated with schizotypal personality traits, with a particular focus on the neural mechanism underlying figurative language comprehension. Difficulties in interpreting non-literal language, especially idiomatic expressions, are well documented in schizophrenia and related spectrum conditions, and may reflect fundamental disruptions in semantic processing. To investigate this, we examined a non-clinical sample of 121 university students stratified into low, intermediate, and high schizotypal groups using Schizotypal Personality Questionnaire. Participants were presented with 3 categories of linguistic stimuli: literal phrases, idiomatic expressions, and semantically incongruent word combinations. They were asked to evaluate the meaningfulness of each phrase while their brain activity was recorded using electroencephalography with particular attention to event-related potentials, namely the N400 and post-N400 positivity or PNP. Our findings revealed distinct neurocognitive patterns associated with increasing levels of schizotypal traits. In individuals with low schizotypy scores, we observed a robust N400 differentiation across stimulus types, reflecting efficient semantic integration and facilitated processing of idiomatic expressions. In contrast, participants with intermediate or high schizotypal traits exhibited a marked reduced in N400 differentiation, particularly in frontal brain regions, suggesting impaired early-stage semantic processing and reduced sensitivity to contextual information. Importantly, this early-stage inefficiency appeared to be accompanied by compensatory neural activity at later processing stages. Specifically, individuals with higher schizotypal scores demonstrated enhanced post-N400 positivity, particularly in response to incongruent stimuli, indicating increased reliance on late-stage semantic reanalysis or inhibitory control mechanisms. Interestingly, despite these neurophysiological differences, no significant behavioral differences were observed across groups in terms of accuracy or reaction time. This suggests that compensatory cognitive processes may preserve over task performance, even in the presence of underlying neural alternations. In conclusion, our study provided evidence that schizotypal personality traits are associated with dysregulated semantic processing at early stages, followed by compensatory mechanism at later stages of cognitive evaluation. These findings highlight the potential of ERP components, particularly in N400 and PNP, as candidate neurophysiological markers for vulnerability within the schizophrenia spectrum. We believe that this work contributes to a more nuanced understanding of the neurocognitive continuum underlying schizotypy and may inform future approaches to early detection and interventions. I appreciate your attention to this matter.